First, 3 implements to get started with your farm tractor. Hi everyone, today we will tell you top 3 implements. I would recommend someone just buying their first pieces of property, a tractor. What should you buy first? What can wait till later? The first implement I recommend is a box of scrap or a scrap blade. I recommend the box scrap over scrap blade because I think it does a better job of moving rock, dirt and land. Implement number 2 is a bush hog, brush cutter or moving deck, whatever you call it, wherever you live. This is an indispensable item. Please make sure that you are getting the correct size for your tractor. A general rule of thumb is 1 foot of bush hog or brush cutter per 10 tractor horsepower. For example, this is 65 horsepower tractor with a 6 foot or 72-inch brush cutter or bush hog. Let's look at the number 3. My number 3 recommendation is a rotary tiller to go behind your tractor. Suppose you are going to be planting a vegetable garden or smoothing out lawn or smoothing out grass or pasture. This is just an indispensable tool. Food plots and all that stuff are great tools to have on the farm, kind of a luxury item.